Enthalpy, a heat of solution. It is defined as the heat change when 1 mole of a substance is dissolved in a specified number of moles of solvent at a given temperature. Enthalpy, the total heat content of a system, is termed as enthalpy of a system. Equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant is the ratio of forward rate constant and backward constant for a reaction at given condition. Evaporation, the spontaneous change of a liquid into its vapors at the surface of liquid at a given temperature, is called evaporation. Exothermic reaction, the chemical reactions, which are accompanied by the evolution of heat, are called exothermic reactions. Effusion of gases, with the passage of the gas molecules one by one without collisions through a pinhole in the container into an evacuated space, is called diffusion. Electrochemical cell. It is a system consisting of electrodes that clip into an electrolyte and in which a chemical reaction either uses or generates electric current. Electrode potential. It is the tendency of a metal to form its ions or to get deposited on the metal when a metal is dipped into the solution of its own ions. Electrolysis. It is the decomposition of ionic compounds by the passage of electric current. Electrolytic conduction. It is the passage of electric current through electrolytes present in the fused state or in the solution form. Electron affinity. Attraction of nucleus of an atom for an extra electron. Electronegativity, tendency of a bonded atom to attract the shared electron pair towards itself. Empirical formula, that formula of a substance which is based on the formula unit and gives the simple ratio of the atoms in the molecule, is called empirical formula. Endothermic reactions, the chemical reactions, which are accompanied by absorption of heat, are called endothermic reactions.